Yeah, hi all. It's a great evening to connect with you all. We can start that webinar now. So totally 33 members are available in the meeting. So if you have anyone doubt, you just let me know in the chat box. So we can wait for 2 more minutes until you can share your production, whether you are working or fresher or already experienced. If you have any, tell me about yourself in the chat so that the section will be so impactful. So I am audible. Can you confirm in the group chat? Anyone? So hi Abhishek, you're from PGDM. Yeah, thank you for the confirmation, Mohan. Yeah, okay, thank you. Lakshana and Abhishek. So you're the student from Bangalore. So Abhishek Naidu student. Yeah, hope that everyone is hearing my voice. Thanks for the confirmation. Okay, let's start the section. So what we are going to be seeing the sections. Okay, thanks for the confirmation. So totally it's 1 hour webinar. So 5 minutes of participation introductions. So now you're doing the people and 45 minutes it's webinar content. If you have any queries, we given the 20 minutes. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the chat box. And queries and feedbacks 5 minutes. So we show you our activity offers and student guide. It's almost each 5 minutes. And this is the overall content of what you're going to be seek for coming 1 hour. So let's start our sessions. And before that, we will show you that airport trainings profile video to you. So Lizzie will share the video. Lizzie, can you please share that video? Thank you, Lizzie. So let me share again my screen. So I hope everyone visible my everyone can see my screen. So let me tell you about ourselves first. So AllPro trainings. So already I welcome you all. And so what you're going to be see, just I will explain our profile first of all. So AllPro Trainings Private Limited is an India government approved e-learning company that offer the technologies, staff skill training to students, freshers, and experienced to level up their career. So this all we are doing, and our vision is to provide the professional training to more than 10 million people to worldwide. So our mission is to provide a high quality training with a well experienced training. So the timeline is we have successfully expanded the college and corporate trainings in 2021 and formed a partnership with the foreign clients. In 2020, the institute founded and first batch of the student enrolled, and we successfully expanded the college and corporate trainings, and finally formed a partnership with the foreign clients. So and then we launched the internship training programs and reached the 30,000 students globally, so recognized as the leading training institute in 2024. So our services, individual trainings and corporate training, college training. If you want to know more about it, you can reach out directly. And individual trainings, we are free webinar overview of the technologies. And under the free webinar, you can see overview of technologies, free certificate for all participants, and flash course and workshop. It will be a 5 to 10 hours for live workshop. Basics of the technologies, and full course you can see 35 hours live practical classes designed to work on live projects and to achieve the professionals. These all we are giving the trainings. One is a free webinar and flash course and the full course. And the global reach is we are providing all over the India. So all the country, sorry. So in India, USA, Canada, Australia, and UK, and other countries, European also. So why you are going to be chooses? Here are the samples we are providing. So learn your convenient timings, practical live hands-on sessions, resume preparation cell, sample resumes, mock interviews, interview questions, and lifelong community support, job guidance until you get a job. The course completion certificate, daily job links, and direct job referrals to a AllPro consultancy. For this, all benefits we are giving while you're getting the training from us. And what are the courses we are offering? So RPA, cloud computing, AI, front-end, and ERP tools. So under the RPA, you can find out the Blue Prism, automation, UiPath, Pega opens up, and Power Automated. So this is the main course, and also we are providing so many courses here in the backend, database automation testing, CRM tools. Here the data science, AM tools, firewall, and cybersecurity, Ansible, Red Hat, Linux administration, all kind of courses we are providing. These are the list I'm showing to you. What kind of courses we are offered to you. So the social media reaches Google reviews 4.8, LinkedIn is having a 5.7k followers, and Facebook 30k plus followers. And these are the groups, and Instagram we have the 20k plus followers, and YouTube 1.7k followers. Our existing client facilities is Capgemini, Mindtree, Accenture, HCL. The certification, our existing clients, the Deloitte, Wipro, Cognizant, and Tech Mahindra. So certifications courses also we are providing. These are the certifications courses we are providing to all candidates. So thank you so much for listening the AllPro training profile. So now our trainers will start the webinar. Hi Gayatri. She is actually giving it 5+ years experience and also given the trainings for around 30 candidates, 30+ candidates. So hi Gayatri.
Yes, hi.
Yeah, hi. You can take over the sessions.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you all.
Yep, thank you. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Gayatri, and first I will introduce myself. So my name is Gayatri, and I will be your trainer for this Power Platform course. So I bring with me over of 10 years of experience in the IT industry, specifically in Microsoft technologies. And I started my career as a C# programming application developer, and I have 1.5 years of hands-on experience in the domain on the C programming. And then later, I spent over 2 years of working on Microsoft CRM testing automation. And then for the past 5.5 years, I have been deeply involved in the installations and configurations and customizations and extension of Microsoft Dynamics 360 CRM, including Dynamics 365. So, which will be exploring in this training. And and I have worked on the past 5 years Power Platform as well. So, throughout my career, I have gained a complete understanding of Microsoft modules, particularly Power Apps and Power Automates and Power BIs. So here, my goal during this training is to ensure that you not only understand the theoretical aspects of Power Platform, but also I feel confident applying them in real world scenarios. So I look forward to sharing my knowledge and learning with you as we go through this exciting journey together. Okay. So first, let me share my screen. So just confirm me if you all are able to see my screen. Yeah. Okay. So I think all of you are able to see this my screen, right? Please confirm me through chart as well. Yes. Is it possible? Okay, fine. Okay, see Microsoft Power Platform. So the introduction of this Power Platform. So what is Power Platform, right? So Power Platform is a suite of Microsoft applications that allows users to analyze data, build apps, and automate processes. Okay, so and it will create virtual agents, and it combines Power BI, and Power Apps, Power Automates, and Power Virtual Agents. These four components are very important in our Power Platform. So it will providing a unified platform to enhance business productivity. Okay. So first I will give you the small introduction. So see, so we have six components, but in six components, very important components are Power Apps, Power Automates, and Power BI and Power Virtual Agents. So these four are very important, and AI builders and Power Pages are currently, it's in future, it will be more. So currently also we are using, but not deeply, we are not using these two apps, but we will discuss on this as well. Okay. So what is Power Apps? So here, the Power Apps is the let's you create business apps quickly with low code development. For example, it will include Canvas apps and model driven apps, and third one is portals. Okay. So the Canvas apps builds apps with a drag and drop interfaces, and to build apps that are easy to use and visual appealing. Okay, see. Okay, see, Power Apps allows users to create custom business applications using a drag and drop interfaces and pre-built templates. So users can connect to data sources such as Excel spreadsheets and SharePoint lists and build custom forms, workflows, and business logics. Okay, normally it will first we can use the drag and drop interface to build apps that are easy to use and visually appealing. Okay, then we have to link your data canvas to data source like SharePoint, Excel, and Dataverses. And then the Power Apps uses Excel like expressions to manipulate data and interact with app components. Okay, for example, if we creating a button that filters a gallery of customer records, okay, it will gallery of customer records. The customer records will gathering from the button. So we can build like that. And the model driven app, another one is model driven. In the Power Apps, we have three, right? One is the Canvas app. We discussed Canvas app. So the second one is model driven app. The model driven apps is the data verse, is the underlying data platform for Power Apps. It will storing and managing data securely. And it will define the data structure by creating tables like entities, fields, and relationships between them. Okay. And the next one is portal. The portal is, it will create a web portal that allows external users to interact with your app. Okay. Finally, this all custom connectors allows you to integrate Power Apps with third-party services or APIs. So this is the advanced Power Apps concepts are there. So that will working with custom connectors. So like so there are so many custom connectors are there. So it will allows you to integrate Power Apps with the third-party services or APIs as well. Okay. And the next one is Power Automate module. This is the second component. So in the second, this one is Power Automate is a workflow automation tool that can be used to automate tasks such as approvals, notifications, and data validations. It can be integrated with Power Apps to create more complex solutions. The Power Automate is a design for automatic and services, automatic workflows across multiple applications and services. Okay, here we have types of workflows are there in the Power Automate components. So the automated flows or instant flows or scheduled flows and business process flows. So we have these type of flows. So the automated flows will trigger by specific events. For example, if you are select on creation or updation, modification or deletion, if you are creating any record in the Power Apps, so it will trigger on that event, on creation event, or we can select from there. Okay. Or update or delete. So like this will trigger on the specific event. And the second one is instant flows. So the instant flows are manually triggered. For example, if we creating one instant flow, so we can test from there. If you want to test one scenario or one record by using instant flow, it will be easy to complete the task. That is not our task, but we can easily we can easily check that functionality is working or not by using instant flow. So manually we can click it will not automate flow. When we click on that run button, then only it will run that flow. Okay. So the manual trigger, when we click on the manually, in that case, the instant flow will trigger. And third one is scheduled flow. So the scheduled flow will run at a specific times. For example, if you want to run that flow on the basic some records, so of daily basis, daily once, if you want to trigger that flow, so then we can schedule that flow on these specific daily ones, or daily twice, or minute one, for every minute or every seconds. So like that, we can schedule that flow. The business process flow, it will guide users through a series of stages. For example, if you are take one record, so we have some stages. The opportunity, for example, if we take one opportunity entity, in the opportunity entity, we can create one business process flow to add the stages, to move to the one by one stages. For example, first opportunity identified. So that is the first stage. Then if we have any budget fields, so budget columns, then we can add another step, budget allocations. And third one, so the tender release. If we have any, I mean, if we connect any customers to take one project, so we have to apply the tenders. So in that time, we have to give the some documents, we have to prepare and documents. In that is the third stage. Like this, we can create the flow stage wises by using business process flow. Okay. And third one, so see here, we can use these all connectors. So we have almost Power Platform, we have 900 plus connectors are there to use. I mean, these all are third-party connectors are there. So we can use these all connectors and to send notifications or schedule tasks or creating workflows or automate repetitive tasks and integrating with the other apps. So we can choose from here. Okay. Third-party tools are there. And the next component is Power BI. See, Power BI is a tool for turning data into actionable insights by creating reports and dashboards. Okay. So here, the way you build and design reports. So in the see, we have Power BI. We can use two types of Power BIs. So one is the desktop and second one is service. So in the desktop, we can build and design the reports, but we can't share to someone. But if you are using service, Power BI service, so this is one of the cloud service. So where you can share the reports and you can give the access to someone. Okay, when you create the dashboard or reports, so we can easy to share to someone. And so Power BI can connect to various data sources like Excel, SQL servers, and online services like Google Analytics. So like this. So I mean, for example, if you are connecting Power BI to an Excel file, so it will containing sales data to create a sales performance dashboard. Okay. And so next is we can use another data modeling. So it will creating relationships, establishing relationship between tables in your data set, and to enable seamless data analysis. Okay, for example, if you are linking a sales table with a customer table to analyze sales by customer demographics. Okay, so this is like one type of reports. So we can edit from here. So the if you see, this is looks like Excel. So we can create reports from Excel as well by using the tables and fields and everything. And we can visualize reports. I mean, Power BI allows you to create various chart, graphs, and visualizers for visualizations for your data as well. Okay, it will build in a bar chart to show sales revenue by product category. So like this, we can do like that. And the Power BI services. So here, upload your Power BI dashboard, desktop report to the Power BI service for online sharing and access. So as we discussed previous. So this is the, wait, this is the Power BI. So, and next one is Power Virtual Agents. So it's called, I mean, empower everyone to easily create conversational bots, respond rapidly to your customer and employee needs at scale using intelligent conversational bots built with Power Virtual Agents. See, normally Power Virtual Agents lets you create chatbots without coding. Okay. And it will define the questions your bot will answer and the paths it will follows. For example, if you have any problem, if you have any problem with your bank or if your phone pay, what will you do? You will go to the support link in the phone from the phone pay, and when you click on that, so it will give the some options. It will give the some options, what is the issue, and what is the problem with transaction or something. The questions are will be enabled to us, so we will choose one option whatever issue we have. So like that in the chatbot as well. So it will allows us to select options. Okay, when you select the option, then the automatically the powerbot will give the some options again related to your question. Okay, so and the next one is AI builder. AI builder, it will add intelligence to your business and applications um, using pre-built and custom modules. So how can you achieve this AI builders? See, normally AI builders is a low code or no code tool that provides the ability to create and train and deploy AI models directly into Power Apps and Power Automate workflows. Okay, it leverages Microsoft AI service to enable users to enhance their applications with AI capabilities like text recognitions and object detections and predictions and sentiment analysis. Okay, and the main advantages of AI Builder is that it brings the power of AI to business users without needing data science expertise. Okay, and also it will allowing companies to accelerate their innovations and automate tasks with intelligence. The seamless integrated into exciting Power Platform applications. Okay. Okay, the next. So the next one is Power Pages. See, the Power Pages create external faces websites, and that allows users outside their organizations to sign in with a wide variety of identifications. Excuse me. Identifications, create and view data in Dataverse or even process content anonymously. Okay. See, normally Power Pages is a robust or low code tool that is a part of Microsoft Power Platform. So it will specifically designed for creating business oriented website, and Power Pages enables organizations to design, hosts and manage websites with a focus on simplifying the processes of building web applications or sharing data securely and with external users, like I mean, the mainly these websites can integrate deeply with other Power Platform components like Power Apps, Power Automates, Power BI, and Dataverse, making them an essential part of building modern. So it will data-driven web applications. Okay, and it is an evaluation of Power App supporters and now providing more tools and features for building responsive and secure scalable websites. Okay, so this is the Power Pages. Okay, this so see, like this we can tune the Power Pages. So this is the coding part. Very low code we can use for that. I think we will discuss this in the classes, so to better understand you all. Okay, this is just upgrading one by one step by, every yearly once. So this is the update versions. Okay, popular dynamics. Okay. See, this is overall of the Power Platform, but I will I will tell you why we choose the Power Apps. Okay. So why means here choosing the Power Platform offers numerous advantages for businesses and organizations looking to streamline processes. So enhance productivity and integrating data across systems. Okay. See here, the Power Platform provides very low code solutions that empower both the technical and non-technical users to create custom apps and automate flows, analyze the data, and develop AI-driven chatbots. So, see, normally in the low code development, the Power Platform enables users with little or no programming experience to build powerful applications. Okay, and unified economies. This is the unified ecosystem. It means the Power Platform integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft services like Dynamics 365 and Office 365 and Azure and third-party applications. And so the interconnected ecosystem allows data to flow freely between systems, eliminating solely and providing a single source of truth across the organizations. Okay, and third advantage is scalability and flexibility. See, the Power Platform is scalability, and meaning it can grow with your business, whether you are developing a simple solutions for a small team or a large enterprise grade applications. So the flexibility of Power Apps and Power Automates, Power BIs, and Power Virtual Agents ensure that companies can tailor the Power Platform to meet their specific needs. Okay, and from small automations to complex workflows. Okay, and finally, another advantage is cost effectiveness. So building applications and automating processes using the right, let me just wait. Okay. Are you able to see my screen? I think I'm stopping my screen. Okay. Yes. See, and the fourth one is the rapid development and deployment. So see, this is the drag and drop interface and pre-built templates allows users to quickly develop apps and power apps and automate processes. and analyze data without needing to spend months in traditional development cycles. So this rapid time to market is crucial for businesses that needs to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Okay. So we have these all advantages of Power Platform. So I think I hope all of you understand this overview of the Power Platform. If you have any queries or please let me know. Okay, sorry, actually I want to show you the one application which share my screen. Just give a minute. Let me share again. I hope all of you able to see my screen, right? Okay. See, this is my application. I just created small application for testing purpose, for giving the demo purpose. See, I have created one employee leave request. This is one of the entity. This is my entity I have created. So when I click on the new, if you are able to see, I please just observe this screen. Okay, so now if you see, we have only 7 columns. Okay, employee name, employee ID, department, leave type, and owner, start date, and submitted date. So when I click, just I'm giving the one name. If you see, this is the red marks are there. So this star is red star is it means required fields. Okay, so when you click, we should without this data we can't save the record. It should be asked if it will come like this notifications. So it will show us employee, its required fields must be filled in. So whatever red mark is there, so these details should be select or update, then only we can able to save the record. Okay, let me do it. Let me test it one record. And also, see, when you get like this, so this is small application. So that's the reason we can able to see this where we have to fill it. But if it is big application, so we don't know that. So we missed something. Value is not updated. So in that case, how we can find that? So it will give the notification here, but how to we select that, how to find that option. So in that case, just click on that error. If you want to this column, then click on this and it will automatically it will control that place. Okay, then or if you see currently here that, so I want to select department. If you see, so it control here. Okay, so I'm just filling the details. Haripriya. Okay, so the employee name ID is so I'm just giving like this. See, it looks like there are 3 options. In the department, I have added 3 options: HR department, ID department, and sales department. See, by default, it's showing like the whatever first option is there. So if you find with this option, just select here. Okay, if you not find this option, just go to the options and select from anything. Okay, I'm fine with the HR. So see here leave type. If you want to annual leave type or sick leave or unpaid. So I don't want this annual. So I'm selecting sick. And then here you have to observe these. See now I just fill the 4 columns of details, right? Now when I save the record, it will show the error. So when I click on here, so it will control here. So then if you see start date after the submission date, but you have to observe here another column, another field will be enabled here, visible here when I select the date value here. Okay, see. So this is the logic. In the back end, in the back end, I have added one logic to enable end date, and this should be required field. Like this, it will come. So end date, select the future date than start date. So this is the notifications to users. This is one of the note. So see, I have selected 15th of July. Wait, I will select future date. This is July, right? Okay, it's 15th of November. I have selected 15th of November. End date should be after the future date of start, from the start date. See, if I select, if you see 17th, July 17th. So if I did this, so still we are able, the error showing like this note. When I select the future date of from then start date, July 18th, sorry, September 18th. So see, if you see the note is gone. So like this one. When I save the record, see, the submission date means when we save the record, then automatically it will populate. Okay. So this is, and also if you find, I think you observed the status also change it to submitted. So when I click on the save, automatically the record is submitted mode. So this is one of the small scenario. For the demo purpose, I just prepared like this. So I hope all of you understand this course. The course means this is the overview of the Power Platform. You will get more understands, and you will get more knowledge on the course. Okay, thank you. I think. If you have any queries and anything on the subject, please let me know. Please ask the questions. Nihal, you asked one question. Can you please tell me which certification you are providing? I think it is better to answer the trainer, the company training center. I think who already MB co-host. Can you please reply on his questions? Okay, maybe. Please, everyone, please send a message to everyone, not to me, because management team also is there. So if we have management questions, then they will be reply on that questions. So if it is related to the subject, then I will respond on that subject.
Yeah, thanks, Gayatri. Actually, if anyone having the doubts, and let me know in the chat box, and the trainer will also will explain to you. So I will give you 5 to 10 minutes. Please drop your questions so we can answer your queries and questions.
Sarada, so she sent one message. So the management team will. Okay, these tools are used by management team alone or also by data science or data analysis. See, this is completely different to the Power Platform. So this is not data science. Data analysis means every course we have to analysis the data and everything. So this is not related to your specific course, but this is the Power Platform. It is uh, I mean, this is mother of Microsoft. So the latest features and everything we have in these course and very low code. So I think I hope you got an answer for this question. What is a builder? Okay. See, normally the AI builder is a sorry, someone came to me. Okay. So what is the question? Okay, what is AI builder, right? Who are the Raj Kumar? Okay, Raj Kumar, this AI builder means this is one of the add intelligence to your business and applications. So it will use pre-build and custom models. So I think you can build custom models tailored to your needs or choose a pre-built model. So that is, that is ready to use for many common businesses scenarios. Okay. So this is the AI builder. So, and what is the next question? So I think Sana. Sony, Nisha, can we use all these technologies into one project? Yes, exactly. See, if you are taking one project, so if you want to build the application, you have to use the Power Apps. Okay. And if you want to send one email or if you want to the any date update the records based on the specific conditions. So in that case, you have to use the Power Automate flows. And if you want to create reports or dashboards, you have to use the Power BI. Okay. And if you want to connect with the users by using chatbot to the customers, so then you have to use the Power Virtual Agent. So like this based on, so in one project, we can able to use um, all the components. So based on the business requirements, we can use them. Okay. I think, I hope you understand, right? If yes, please send a message as is. How is it connected with each other? Okay. See, normally we have a developments, right? We have three type of developments, environments, not a developments. Environments are there. One is the development environment and test environment, or UAT environment as well. And third one is production environment. See, in the development environments, normally developer will be build the apps and they will be fulfill the requirements. The developer will fulfill the requirements in the development environment. Once we done in the development environment, then we have to move those changes into the UAT environment. Once these if we move to the UAT environment, so the users will test into the in the UAT environment, and before that, before handover to the users, we have to the testers should be complete the testing tasks, everything, the requirement testing. Once he's done, and then the users, we will send to an email to the client. The client will test the user level testing. Once they are ready, completed the test in test environment, once it is completed, then they will confirm once they confirm the everything is good in UAT environment, then we will move those implement changes or into the production. The production is the live one. So when we select connecting these applications, I mean these components, the Power BI, Power Agents, Power apps, Power Automates. So we have to select the instance environments. Is this development? So we have to select in development only. We have to create only in development environment only. So these type of connections are there. I hope you understand. So what is the next question?
Thanks, Gayatri. Actually, hope the sessions was very interactive. And
Thank you.
so, if you have any doubts, you can ask me the chat box. Meanwhile, trainer will respond to you.
Yes.
Yeah, I think this batch is very good to hear to interact actually. Oh, thanks. If you have any feedback about the trainer, also drop the chat box.
Can you explain Microsoft Fabric? Right. Someone asked some question. Just wait a minute.
Sure, sure.